Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a sleek, pre-built powerhouse, the Skytech Azure 3 gaming PC. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link below to grab this rig at the best available price. You don't want to miss this deal. Wrench emoji, design and build quality. Skytech has nailed the look on the Azure 3. You get a clean tempered glass side panel, RGB lit fans, and a minimalist matte black chassis that fits any setup. It's a mid-tower built with plenty of airflow, so it runs cool even under load. Cable management is solid out of the box, and there's room for future upgrades if you want to drop in more storage, RAM, or even a beefier GPU down the line. Gear emoji, specs breakdown. Here's what powers this beast. AMD Ryzen 7 7700 to 8-core, 16-thread performance for gaming, multitasking, and streaming. AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT 8GB, a 1440p gaming champion with ray tracing support and AV1 encoding. 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, plenty for most modern titles and productivity. 1TB of SSD, super fast boot and load times. 650 watts 80+ gold PSU, reliable power delivery for stable performance. Wi-Fi ready plus Windows 11 pre-installed. Video game emoji, gaming performance. Let's talk real-world gaming. The RX 9060 XT paired with the Ryzen 7 gives you smooth 1440p at high/ultra settings in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Apex Legends, Fortnite, and Warzone. High FPS at 1080p for competitive gaming. Ray tracing and FSR support for visually enhanced experiences. This PC handles AAA titles and esports games effortlessly, and it's streaming ready too thanks to AMD's modern encoder. Ice emoji, cooling and noise. Thanks to multiple pre-installed RGB fans and good ventilation, thermals are under control. The system stays quiet during light tasks and only hums under full GPU/CPU load, nothing distracting. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Skytech Azure 3 gaming PC is perfect for gamers who want high performance, great value, and sleek aesthetics, all in one pre-built package. Whether you're upgrading from an older rig or jumping into PC gaming for the first time, this setup hits a sweet spot between price and performance. Speech bubble emoji. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Package emoji, and of course, check the link in the description to get this gaming PC at the best price right now. Don't miss out.